Antonyms by me. Okay, I'm gonna actually take this seriously for once. Let me ask you something. Does this image make any sense with this caption? Yeah, it does. Look at this goofy goober though. Okay, I'm getting off track. Anyway, what about this image? No? Okay, so based on the lesson I'm trying to teach you guys, this sentence probably needs an antonym. An antonym means the opposite of a word, so if I replace that, the sentence is more clear. Okay, can you change the words now? That's more like it. You said there wouldn't be a worksheet! Okay, that's fine. Because I'm gonna force you guys to do it for me. Okay, cue the timer, I guess. I would put Jeopardy music here, but ooh, copyright, scary. Anyway, the antonym of difficult is easy, and the antonym of rich is poor. Anyway, here's more, because why not? Okay, let me just... Good job, guys. Anyway, by now this project is probably due tomorrow, so bye, guys, I guess. Sorry it was so short, but I couldn't really find anything else to put here.